Welcome everyone, this is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty, and in this video I'm going to be giving my 1 month update on my Sisterlocks, so stay tuned. Okay, so I have had my Sisterlocks for 1 month so far, 1 whole month. And I wanted to just share a little bit about how it's been going. I'm planning on doing monthly updates, so this will be first of many to come. But at least for this first month, I can say that I swear this is like the easiest hairstyle that I have ever had in my life. Which is great. There's very little maintenance involved, especially in the beginning, because it takes a while for your hair to lock. So especially, you know, I would say probably like the first 8 months to a year, you're not supposed to really do too much to them anyway. So that's fine with me because my hair, I still feel like, you know, very blessed for my hair to have regrown after my really bad relaxer experience I had a little over a year back. So I'm happy to give my hair this time to just kind of rest and recover and just kind of rejuvenate itself, which is what I feel like it's kind of going through. So I am completely fine with that. In terms of maintenance, you know, a couple times a week I just spray my hair with a little bit of water and a couple of, you know, like essential oils mixed in the water, not too much, but just a little bit, just to kind of mist it a little bit and give it a little bit of moisture. Sometimes when I'm in the shower, I'll just let it get a little bit of steam. And I saw this tip from another blocked YouTuber who I've followed for a while. I'll link her to the video. She doesn't have Sisterlocks. She actually has locks that she installed herself, but she recommended just kind of having, you know, with wet fingers, just kind of massaging your scalp a little bit. So on the days when my hair was kind of itchy, that's what I did, and that actually worked wonders for me. That's been really helping me to kind of delay shampooing, which is something I've been trying my best to do. So I do have the Sisterlocks customer starter kit. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm probably going to wash it pretty soon. I wanted to wash it this weekend, but I got too busy. But I know the preference is for it not to be washed too often, but I still wanted to think about ways to kind of keep my scalp refreshed and keep my hair somewhat refreshed. So the misting with a little bit of water, as well as just the scalp massage with the damp fingers, is something that's kind of been working for me. So I'll be shampooing it pretty soon, and then I'll also be going for my first retie pretty soon. But I have pretty coarse hair. If you watch my installation video, I don't have like, you know, loose curly hair, silky hair, or anything like that. So I feel like my hair is kind of like, what took her so long? She figured it out. Yeah, you know, I feel like that's kind of how my hair is acting, because it feels like, you know, my hair was meant to do this. It's just rolling right along. So I haven't washed it yet, but I'm gonna get a little close so you can see just my texture. You know, my hair is not locked. It won't be locked for a while, but you can see that a lot of my hair, which is really coily, with the small locks, it kind of allows the texture to show through. So that's kind of something that's really cool. I'm looking forward to when I do wash it for the first time, because I think I'll get to see a lot more of the texture. With my hair being a little shorter right now, it's nice that that's kind of a nice element of the style, that I can kind of have like a little bit of coily look, almost like if someone really defined my loose curly hair, my loose natural hair, which is nice. But yeah, I have all the little ringlets, you know, kind of like, or whatever you would call them, little coily locks kind of forming around my scalp area. So it's really a unique style, and my hair, it shrank right up, it coiled right up, which is cool. So I don't think I have too much scalp showing. Let me see if I can turn around. So I don't think I have too much scalp showing. My hair is I guess my hair is pretty thick. It's thick enough that I don't have scalp showing in my first month. So you know, I'm pretty happy with how it looks. I just needed my forehead. Like, I have a large forehead, so I said as long as you know, I have like some coverage around my forehead, then I'm good. But yeah, I really like it. So this is the only style that I'm really rocking right now is I have here, I reorganized all my hair stuff, and these are pretty much my accessories that I'm using right now. So I have these bobby pins that are curled to shape your head. So I have like 2 right here, and then I have these decorative bobby pins that I think I got them either from Claire's or Icing. I actually went online and just ordered different types right here. So yeah, I have all different types, and I'll continue to collect them, but these are the ones that I kind of started with. So I, you know, just kind of a couple times a week, I'll just pin it back and put like a little decorative pin right here. Then as soon as I get home, I just kind of loosen my hair up, because I don't really want to put any tension in my hair at all. I want to give my hair the best chance that it has to thrive. And, you know, I know that the locks are considered very delicate at first until they've locked. So I'm not trying to, you know, push my luck here. So, you know, I'm just trying to kind of keep it pretty simple. So my loctician, when she did lock my hair, you know, we talked about styling a little bit, you know, and I told her that I typically tend to rock a side part. So she actually, you know, tightened my hair so that I had like a natural side part falling. So I feel like my hair always has kind of like this look, which makes me feel like it has a little bit of style. So I don't feel like, you know, my hair is just like blah, whatever. I feel really excited about how it looks, you know, how my curl pattern is popping out, the thickness of it, the length. I can already tell I have so much length and growth at my scalp. I can already tell, you know, I'm just excited. So I don't feel any of those things. I feel really good about my hair and how it looks. Let's see. So yeah, the only issues that I have encountered is my glasses that I wear. I have like this little arm thing that I wear on the end of my glasses, and it keeps them from falling off my face because they're heavy. And I accidentally snagged one of my locks on that thing. So one of them is, you know, barely locked, and it's literally like this little edge corner lock. And then maybe, let me see, I'm feeling along my scalp. I have maybe like 1 or 2 in the bottom row that are a little loose. But besides that, my hair is perfectly fine. My scalp is not itchy. Dude, I'm doing great. I'm not having any issues at all. So this is turning out to be really great so far, and I feel very blessed that I was able to find a good loctician and to be able to do this style. So I have no complaints, no regrets right now. So yeah, so I feel great. So no complaints here, and I will keep you updated. I'll let you know what's taking place with my hair next month. Take care. Bye.